As you know, I started making figures about 1 month ago, but I still don't know why I made this figure. Let me explain to you. I want to have a Bunnygirl figure, and while browsing 3D models, I came across the League of Legends Bunnygirl series. I haven't played League for more than 10 years, but when I was playing, Ahri was a popular character and I liked her design. There were other Bunnygirls characters from League, but I choose this one. It seems more than coincidental that all figures I made have stockings or pantyhose, but I promise next figure I make won't have stocking or pantyhose, so I hope so. While making this figure, I realized my table was too small. As you can see in the finished figure, there are some paint marks. This is due to facts that I could not find any place to put figures while drying. And because of that, the figure pieces touch each other and stained them. Of course, there are mistakes I made while painting, but of course, I will pretend that they do not exist and I will put all the blame on the table. This figure was obviously easier than the Kafka figure, but making white pantyhose was so much more than difficult I thought. And the biggest mistake I made in this figure was trying to finish the figure as soon as possible. I paid attention to this issue in my next figure, and I made the figure by spreading my time through the week. There will be spoilers for the next figure, but I made the figure of my favorite character from my favorite game. Since I made two figures one after each other, both figures are now finished, but you will have to wait a little bit because YouTube magic. I was planning to make figure making videos for 10 to 15 minutes, but since it would reduce pleasure of the watching and presenting this process that lasts for days in a 10 minutes, I tried to keep the videos around 5 minutes in piece by piece moments. I hope the videos are smooth and enjoyable to watch. If you have any questions about what products I use or what I do, please write in the comments. As you know, YouTube comments are extremely important in the growth of the channel, and I love answering questions. All the paint products I use are cheap and accessible. Most of them I choose from Amazon's bestsellers. There are a lot of figures I want to make, but I have hard time choosing. I would be glad if you help me to choose figures by making suggestions in the comments. This Bunnygirl figure was a figure I chose from the comments in the previous videos. Making figure, speaking English, making videos like this are very new things for me. I hope I will get better at all of them and you will follow this adventure with me. Now, let's see the finished figure and please subscribe.
Never going back, 絶対にダイヤモンドスプラッシュ前からホール survive.